Hi, I'm Larry. The owner of the house is Arlene, my sister, with his husband, my brother-in-law, Rupino. Has been here for 28 years. They live here for a long time. This is their home. Later on, they start having mobility issues going up and down the stairs. Instead of moving to a one-floor house, they'd rather not. So a Nibav elevator is better for them to get up and down the stairs. Yes, the research was done actually. There are other elevators in the market. After they seeing videos and others, social media, it looks logical that Nibav is a choice. It's pretty compact and it doesn't acquire that much space, and it looks pretty much easy for them. And actually, it looks like it came with the house the first time you look at it. I was surprised there's no visible screws. They really did a good job on hiding it. The Nibav elevator is better. It's round, it's sleek as they call it. It's also functional, it's noiseless. I hope it's easy to maintain too. There's a lot of safety features in it. The door doesn't open if that doesn't need to be. When you're inside, it goes down smoothly. It's pretty much noiseless, no vibration whatsoever. I congratulate the maker of Nibav Elevator. They thought of every safety thing that they incorporated into the system. Everything that I thought of is there. The door lock, the buttons, unbreakable glass. I'm also glad there's a telephone in there. Hey, you can get a phone call while you're on the elevator. You don't have to run out. You just pick up the call inside. Nibav Elevator, I highly recommend. They have a lot of design, colors. They custom make the elevator to your home. They do a good job. They engineer everything that works for your home.
My name is Arlene. Actually, I called the company. Yeah, they explained, another person came. They kind of put like, I don't know, a sample to put in next to the stairs, because that's the issue, is our mobility. So this is for our comfort and safety, So I chose Nibav, actually. And we're putting different colors. And the kids, they love it. Then we send it to them, and they love the looks of the lift. So this is perfect for us.
My name is Rupino Tirado. I'm a resident of this house, 500 Decoro Court. We've been here for the last 30 years. I've been hit with these mobility issues since I hit my 75 years old. And with all this pain I've been going through, from fall that I suffered from the stairs to walking with our cruises and trips overseas, it's helped a lot with our mobility. So we thank you guys for introducing that to us and other. So I think it's a good idea to have an elevator in the house rather than moving out of this place.